Welcome back to Campus Tech. In today's video, we're going to see when you lift your phone, you'll see it will wake itself. So in this video, we're going to see how we can turn it on this feature or turn it off. So just go into the home screen. You need to go into the settings. This is the iOS 18. Just go scroll a little bit down. You'll see the display and brightness. When you go in this tab a little down, look at this. This is the feature erase to wake. If you want to turn off, so when you lift your phone, it won't give you any kind of display. So if you want to turn on, just go again, and when you turn it on, which is the by default is turned on, so let's put power down. So when you lift it, it will give you notification itself, so you can see all notification. And if you want to turn on, you can turn off and on by toggling on and off. So if you like that video, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and see you in the next video.